All right, well, I was going to put the tires back on and be done with some things here, but I've decided, since it's much easier to stand here without the tires being here, although I could, I guess in theory, be in behind them. I'm trying to figure out where I should put my sensor for my water temp. The machine apparently never came with it, which is really odd to me. I think the right place would be to put a bushing in like we've done, or like, you know, the original was done here with the heater hose coming off to the front heater in the cab. But I am really worried about trying to pull these plugs out. Number one, these aren't 3/4, which I thought they were, and they're not 1 inch. They must be like 7/8 or something odd. And I doubt they've ever been out. And what I'm really worried about is if I go nuts trying to get one of these out, and if I break this jacket, I'm screwed on the machine. Options would be to build a T here. Know that I'm understating my temperature a little bit. If I put a T here, I think I can get this pipe out probably without any issue. Or there is a square head plug in here behind. I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but there is a square head plug in behind here on the water pump itself. And I think I might just try, for the sake of argument, pulling that particular plug out. It's hard to get my camera in there. Anyway, there is one. There's one behind this hose here, and I'm going to take this hose off, see if I can get at it, see what the prospects are. Maybe putting it there. Only risk there is, well, I guess there isn't that much of a risk. I'm only really reading here, you know, once the thermostat opens. But I guess that'll be okay. So we'll see how that works. I'm going to give that a shot. I figured I can't lose at it. So I'm going to take this hose off and got my bucket down here. I'm sure I'm going to end up draining out some of the antifreeze, and I'm going to see about getting that plug out and what my prospects there are. All right, now you can see what I'm doing. So I have my square socket on there. We're going to pull that plug out. I got my square socket. Now I can get at that. We're gonna take that off, take that plug out, and that's where I'm going to put it. And one of the reasons I think that's going to be okay, I just did a little double check on the old one, on the parts machine. You know, this is a gasser. Come over here. You can see that this one did have a temp gauge at one point. I have no idea whether that's even any good, but I wanted to know where they put the sensor for it, and lo and behold, it's right there in the lower portion of the water pump housing anyway. So I think the fact that I'm going to go to that upper plug on the other one is going to be just fine. It's closer to what they did originally, and you can see that this one was disconnected. There's no wire going to it, so who knows. They also, at some point, this radiator may go in the other one, because the radiator that's in the current machine is sort of made to fit in a lot of odd looking modifications somebody did years ago. So let's take that plug out and see what happens. Well, that's not happening. Tried to get this off, and I broke the tip of it off. Fortunately, I didn't break the housing. All I did was just break the square piece off. So I'm going to call well enough good. I guess I just won't have a temp sensor on this, at least not there. I'm not going to risk breaking anything. I guess I'll know by the heat in the cab whether this thing is actually working. I'm not going to chance breaking something that I can't fix. So that's it. That's the end of that one. All right, new rubber's on. It's going to be first drive on the new rubber. Looks pretty good. I have some tolerances that are really close. Tires are pretty close, but they're not touching. And the clearance to the nut back there is like within a millimeter. So hopefully that doesn't rub. We're going to find out. So here we go. There. Go. Oops. Trash I forgot to throw out. Alright, here we go. GoPro. Next piece of the project, I want to get all the glass out of this. I want to take these doors off. I didn't like the way they were bouncing around at all when I was driving it. These doors don't close, so it was just flopping around, but you can see how brittle this stuff just breaks off. I'm just going to peel it out of here. Can take all the windows out, and then we're going to look at getting the top of this cab off. I'll probably take the doors off first, and then take the top of the cab off and see what we can do about getting ready to swap these around. My intention is when I get the windows out, I'm gonna, anywhere the new windows are gonna go in, I'm gonna scrape and I'm gonna prime and paint around those edges for the where the glass is gonna go, so that when I paint it later on, I don't have to worry about covering rubber quite so tightly as I otherwise would. Plus, I want to protect it under there, so it'll look a little funny on the cab. But I'm not getting into repainting this whole thing over the next couple of weeks. All right, so I'm gonna keep peeling this out. Kind of got rolling with things and I forgot to take video. I already had this door off. Didn't turn out to be too difficult to do. Just took the bolts out and the hinges came right off. I'm going to take the other side off. You see all the glass is already out. So I'm going to get this prepped to take this top off. I am going to take this piece out while I'm at it. You can see the bottom's rusted off. I'm going to weld on a patch panel on the bottom of that piece and cover this hole over, and then I'll probably just paint down in that area. I mean, eventually this entire machine will get repainted, but it's not certainly going to be all at once. It's going to be a little bit this year, a little bit next year, that kind of thing, until we finally get it done. I may, depending how nice the weather is, I might power wash this off and see if I need to paint underneath this. You know, this area looks like it's probably never been looked at since the day the machine was new. So I'll probably take care of that. What else? I think that's just about it. So I'm going to go ahead and take that other door off, and by then it's probably going to be dark and I'll have to call it a night.